All right, for our ongoing class, we're working on the 2 minor to the 5, 7 to the 1 in the key of F. So the chords are F to a G minor, we're doing G minor 7, to a C7, to an F. Instead of just going back and forth between an F all day, all night, Mary Ann, which is very nice, but we're adding a little bit more flavor to it. So we have two progressions that we're working on. We're first of all doing an F to a G minor 7, the first 2 measures, to a C7. With the song All Day, All Night, Mary Ann. So when we play a measure that has a C7 chord, that's where you can play with this G minor 7 to the C7, different iterations as long as we stay in the pocket. So let's just try it. 2, 3, 4. All day, all night, Mary Ann. Now every 2 beats. Down by the seashore, sifting sand, even little children, they love Mary Ann. Down by the seashore, sifting sand. And you get to play with it and decide how much you want to throw in or how much you don't. The other option for a G minor 7 resolved to actually a C9 in this case. We're going to make a G form, simple G form, but it's going to start in the 5th fret. That's a G minor 7. It's a real easy chord to grab. And the way we resolve it to a C9 is even cooler. It's just one finger that's going to slide to the 4th fret. Our index finger is going to slide to the 4th fret, and there's the resolution. So a good practice to connect these two, these are inversions, the same chord, but the order of the notes are stacked a little bit different, so you get a cool flavor like this. Watch this. We're going to do that one measure of each, starting the first 2 frets and then going up to the 5th. 2, 3, 4, G minor, C7, then a 5th fret. And go back to the 1st fret. 5th fret. Let's put it in the song. All day, all night, Mary Ann. Down by the seashore, sifting sand. Even little children, they love Mary Ann. Down by the seashore, sifting sand.